Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. I believe we were into build day, I'm going to say 59. I'm just going to make a guess and say build day 59 of the pool construction back here in the backyard of Feliz. And it's raining. It's really raining. It's rained all night long, and it's been raining all morning, and I think it's going to rain all day today. But you know these guys. They come, rain, shine, typhoon. They are always here. And they're here. They are here this morning. Well, I'm not going out there. I don't have a rain jacket. I do have an umbrella, and I might stop out there in a little bit to see kind of what they're doing. But right now, I'm staying here in the comfort of the house because we have a project going on this morning. We just received some of our supplies for one of the many different giveaways that we do for our Christmas holiday season. We provide gifts for the workers in the subdivision. We provide stuff for the children, the families of the community in our barangay, and I'll show you in just a little bit. Let's go ahead and get today started. Now, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. So now down here in the basement, we're preparing the pump. We got the pump over here, the Hayward pump, and the Hayward DE filter. So it looks like this is something that's going to get installed. They did the foundation for this yesterday, and it's probably ready now for them to go ahead and do the install. So here's our pump that's going to be installed, and here is basically the ball valve that has to do with the flushing and the backwash and the flow, and this connects to the top of the DE filter here that's inside here. It will connect to the top of this right here. So that's one of the things. That's one of the exciting things that they're going to be working on today. All right, so I'm going to leave this up to the experts, the guys who are doing the install. They're looking for all the little parts, the couplers and connectors and the Teflon tape and everything to make this right. They'll be cutting PVC out there. We'll try to stay on top of it. Right now, I need to go upstairs and help Ness. She is putting together some of the Christmas care packages that we'll be providing for some of our workers in our community here. We're expecting a lot of stuff to come in, and this is just the very beginning. Now what Ness is doing, we order these gift packages and we assemble them ourselves. We'll put foodstuffed items and we'll give individual foodstuffed packages to some of our workers and some of the people inside the community. Food is always a really good thing to give for Christmas gifts around here in the Philippines. Now, although the foodstuff items are really great for families during the Christmas holiday season, something for the kids are a little bit different this year. You know, in the past what we've done is I've gone down dressed up as Santa Claus inside the barangay, and we always give out gifts and some monetary donations to the community, both to the families and the children. But this year we're doing something a little different because of the pandemic. What we have to do is we have to make sure that we have our social distancing, and really the only way to do it with the amount of people that we have that come to the Santa giveaway, which last year was over 200 people that we had. This year what we're doing a little bit more protective for more safety measure. We'll get more into that later, but I think the kids will have some smiles on their face this year.
This is only the first batch. We're still waiting for more because you can't order a lot in Lazada. They have to come in batches.
So you know we are coming into the final stages when they start doing the post-construction cleanup using the muriatic acid on the pebble rock, pretty much everywhere around here. So this is a good indication that we're getting close to the end, the very end of the pool construction build. I will be glad to see what it looks like after the muriatic acid is applied to the pebble rock here, because we have all those little stains, the little white stains you saw from some of the spillover of some of the cement mix and some of the paints and things like that. So everything should be nice and clean, and maybe by tomorrow, because I don't think we're going to get any sunshine today, maybe by tomorrow we'll be able to see the effects of all the hard work and labor from all the cleaning up of the swimming pool area. Now back here is where a lot of the attention is going to be this morning. Completing the electrical hookups. Joel, our electrician, he's here this morning. And also on the inside doing the final works here for the plumbing. All the plumbing's going to be, I believe it's going to be connected, most of it today. I think that's the reason why we have the pump out here and the reason why we have the filter over there. Well, it's after lunch, and the guys are working on the umbrella table down there. They're so fast. I didn't even get to tell you what I was going to talk with them about this morning, but I will talk with you about it. Anyway, instead of the pebble rock, I have leftover granite, granite they call it here in the Philippines, from a bunch of our projects around Villa Feliz here. And I was thinking about using a nice clean slab, rounded, doing some bullnose on the outside, half round, something like that, for the finish of a tabletop. That would have worked really good, but these guys are so fast, they already started doing the pebble rock. And I directed them yesterday, so that's on me. It might look good. We're going to try it. We're going to see how the pebble rock looks on there. Again, anything that has to do with that stand right there, anything can be changed on that later on. Everything else is a little bit more difficult, but for that area, even if I didn't like the pebble rock, later on we could chip that off and we could put a nice piece of granite on top of it. But let's get this a chance. Like I said, these guys are fast. Now this pebble rock here is not what you see here. It's the same as what we have on our coping. I like that. I think that might actually work, having pebble rock here, pebble rock there, and the pebble rock over here. Jury's out. Go keep an eye on this and take a look and see. Now the only other thing is the edge. What do we want to do for the edge right here? You see they did the chipping, and the main reason for the chipping in concrete with anything that has to do with adding new concrete on it is somewhere for it to attach to. It's not good to attach to smooth finish on the outside. It won't bond properly. It will bond with all the chips that are inside the concrete. So we got our first colored light installed yesterday, and a second color light that will highlight this entire area of the 4-foot section is being installed now. Up.
Okay na?
Dali ka pa naman, di ba? Bigay mo ba naman yun, di ba?
Alright, so you can see our electrician, Joel, he got the light installed right here, and this is one of the two lights that will be illuminating the floor of the 5-inch and the 10-inch section. He's working on the 10-inch section right now. You can see that the pebble rock here that we have on the top of the table of the umbrella area is starting to shape, and he's doing the cleaning, slow doing of the cleaning until it will look just like the pebble rock on the outside. You can also see the pebble rock repair here for the area around where the junction box is. Okay, now is the time of day that we would normally do the drone overview, but we're not going to do the drone overview today because we have so many things making us stealthy. And no, I'm not being stealthy because I'm worried that my Cabusto is going to fly over the top and look down and take pictures of our swimming pool. It's just because we had a lot of rain earlier, and that's what the guys were using. We haven't taken it down yet. Alright, well, it is the end of the day. I'm not really going to do a wrap-up today because you kind of saw most everything that was accomplished today. A little bit of pebble rock on the top of our umbrella table. A little bit of work back in the pump room. A little bit of electrical. Now, I think a lot of electrical, but you pretty much saw all of that. And we kind of lost half a day today due to the fact that we really had a lot of rain. But we did get some stuff accomplished. I don't know how this will set our schedule for completion of Saturday. We'll see. We still have all day tomorrow. We'll see where we are tomorrow with the build. Well, that's it for today. I think these guys are going to be closing up about Saturday, either Saturday or Sunday. But I just want to mention, and I want to thank one of our subscribers, and we'll give our subscribers information out on the day of the event. But one of our subscribers here made a generous donation for a dinner for all of the pool crew here. So when we do the closing, basically like the ribbon cutting of the swimming pool, Ness and I have already put in a big order and treat these guys out to a real good feast here in the backyard of Villa Feliz. And I want to thank that individual, and we'll announce his name on the day of the event. So anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed today's episode, please give me a thumbs up. Please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, from right here in the Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.